Unable to start output.
I'm live.
What are we talking?
We are live.
It's just a bit loud. Make sure everything's going well. Social stream. Can you see my? You can't see my YouTube now. Still, you still can't.
Okay. Here I will pull up the changes here and ask you what
Yeah.
it's saying.
Oh yeah, yeah. So you want me to do something? What's up?
Yes. Here.
Let me also invite you to stream together.
Oh yeah.
I'll
I'll get that while I while you look. Can you read this? Can you read this?
in a second.
Okay.
Twitch is being a bitch, as per
Okay.
always.
That's
All right, I invited you. All right, let me look. Yes, I can. All right. Hello. Hello, Mr. Ant. How's it going? Let me put GW screen share on because I have to. Oh. Oh yes. Please, all I ask of you. It's not much. Maybe it is. GW Temporary Cat Games. Desktop stream. And then turn on JW screen share. There we go. I was gonna turn the music down just a little bit more because I don't know why it's like so loud in my ears right now, but it is. All right. So what am I looking at? So these are the changes that came through. Oh. Sorry, let me just keep the first line, get rid of the second line. So just take in current change, accept current.
Accept current change.
Yeah. Yeah, because before it was searching through all of the connected points, but now it's just like
fine now.
Is like what island do I belong to? And then it says give me a random point from there. We'll hope it works with your changes. Have you pushed up your goblin stuff, by the way, or is that what you just did?
Oh, I don't think I pushed them up. I can do that.
Okay.
Just say more goblins and stuff.
There we go. All
okay.
Right, now I can see my freaking chat.
Let me add a couple more new things to the to-do board. So we need multiple levels, obviously. So like the level transitions.
So what part of that? You keep saying that, but we have the ability to switch levels. Do you mean like
yeah, I just need to make like the
transitions.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like
because you keep saying that as if like we can't just like work on
yes,
the other
I know
levels
it will not be hard to do. I just don't. There's a few extra things that I need to make that easy. So let me just write that in here. So we need level transitions. We need to figure out if the shop will be different or the same or things like that for the other levels. Shop and special rooms, and then we also need I want to have enemies locked to certain levels, and then enemy power scaling. So I think that's the three main things for levels. And then also if we could add special rooms just like as a generation option somewhere. Basically just be able to have a room that's a special room, and then we could maybe give it like a chance to spawn. And maybe on each special room there's like some sort of export we could change to adjust how rare they are. Or they get all of the same chance, whichever.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm just writing some things down as well.
Yeah, then do we want to have like the unlockable items like in the hub? I assume we do. Okay. So unlockable items in hub. I also
does that mean cards and items?
Yes, probably both. I think what I might do is like, this doesn't matter a whole lot for you, but in terms of like the setup,
are you gonna show something in game?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm putting you on.
Basically just like what my idea of how it'll be laid out. It's really like not that important, but why do I have music on?
No. It was very, very fun helping Cosmic last night because he uses C# Godot mostly, and he was using GD script only Godot last night. and so he kept restarting the game every time he like
That's
made
funny.
a code change, and I was like,
so this guy here, I think it might be in like a little like ticket box here that they'll like sit inside of, and then that'll be where they'll like maybe they'll sell cards and stuff. I was thinking either that or they'd sell like special runs in the future. Like you could spend whatever your currency to like have a different type of run. Because then that way we could have like the default BO standard run, and then we could have like a couple others to show that like, hey, this is gonna be something you can do in the full game.
yeah.
Because I want to have as much of that as possible. Because
two really quick things, by the way, real
marketing,
quick.
you know.
Set the YouTube chats to live chat instead of top chat.
Okay.
Just because I noticed there was a message missing in mine. Not that it's super urgent right now, but
Okay.
and also, so whenever you say like a little ticket thing, do you mean like a little counter that you walk up to, you press E and it like opens up a UI, or do you mean like a little building that you walk up to, you press E and it takes you inside of it?
Like a little counter kind of. I was thinking like a little enclosed box with like inside.
Yeah.
But,
like a lemonade stand kind of thing.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
And also like I think
makes sense.
then I would have another cat that like sits up here. Because actually I was looking at the Wikipedia page for the cat that this is named after.
Tomo?
Yeah. And apparently they also had like some assistant cats, so maybe I could put those around as like the other cats in the hub area, which I think that'll be fun. And then I don't have to worry about naming.
Yeah.
Which is fun. But also we have this text. I need to clean up.
Hide the HUD.
Yeah, I need to figure out. We should probably just hide the HUD like in the hub area in general, except for maybe like
that's
the
true. Yeah.
currency.
We also do.
It's a little messy how this
we
works.
have like a quick thing to hide the HUD as well.
Okay.
Like whenever you go up to shop with Nacho, I'm pretty sure if you just spawn in a Nacho, summon a Nacho.
Can I just do that?
Yeah. There's no way you spelled it NATCH, by the way. That's crazy.
I don't know how to spell. Okay.
Yeah. So you can see the HUD minus the minimap, but yeah.
I see. Very cool.
Yeah. So we could just do something like that as well. But yeah. Also, I was thinking I'm gonna put this on like the back burner. I'm gonna put this down in writing somewhere, which is
This little teet's a little broken. I also like really like the bars. I literally also I need to change the texture. I didn't realize I did accidentally copy the Gungeon text box literally identically. I looked at it and I took inspiration from it, and I didn't realize that I literally completely redrew it identically. Which
that
is
was
very
like
funny.
when I had bullets in my game that I was working on, they just were almost like the copy.
I mean, it's
bullets.
probably fine. It's a text box.
Yeah.
Like it's not like
it is. Yeah.
And I mean, it's a nice text box, but I mean, you could maybe make something that fits better. But yeah, there's some weirdness with like how it opens and closes. I need to figure out the best way to implement that. There's some stuff I need to rewrite. Like right now, it just does this multiple times. Then if you press E when you're like not there, it'll go away.
It also, can you put the timescale low? And talk to him.
Her actually.
Oh, sorry, her. So, do you see how the M shows up on the second line and then it kicks down to the next line? Like, where the fifth meow comes in, like it puts an M and then it kicks down. That's like a really simple polish thing that needs to be addressed that I actually need to take care of at some point. I don't 100% know how to.
You turn it on the speed scale, it just keeps going.
Yeah, it's so funny. I don't know how or why, but it's so funny that it just infinitely
funny. Also, we should probably either change the sound or remove the sound at some point, but
probably, yeah. Also, hello, Rolo.
But yeah, I think this might be my new favorite NPC of all time.
You're gonna say that about every NPC as they come in, I think.
Yeah, this is true.
And that's okay. So one thing that I wanted to do at some point, I don't think it's actually gonna be today, but I just wrote it down to have it written down, is because of your issue with the hearts, and also the fact that people have different sized monitors and shit, I want to at some point explore the idea of just switching to viewport scaling and using some sort of code on our side to handle that, because that fixes the issue of the hard.
Yeah, but it also breaks like some shaders, I think. Was it? Yeah, it's the shaders that it breaks.
A shader, I'm
Okay,
fairly
yeah.
certain, which is just the cutout shader, and that just means that I have to go back and figure out why that's breaking, and that will probably be a good thing to do, because if it's breaking still somewhere, that means something is wrong with it.
Yeah.
It's just that it's not an issue that's going to come up unless.
Oh, I also should probably make the text box so that way we can change this out to be the nice text box rather than like this ugly text.
Oh yeah.
If we wanted to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now I need to figure out how I should set it up nicer, because right now it's very hard coded to be like you interact and it does that. I should probably have functions for like
show text,
skip text, yeah, things like that. So that way I could do those like dynamically, and then I could put like maybe I can make like an extended version that's like interaction text.
Yeah. Other things, so special rooms, unlockable relics and cards. And then also,
I also want to have a deck menu somewhere in the hub area. That's the same as like this, where it's just like it'll show you that you have like the standard deck, and then show options for like other ones that are locked.
Sure, yeah.
And then I need to clean this up. Yeah.
The other, what else was there? Level transitions. I'll work on that today because you've talked about that a lot.
I do. I mean, I want to have the ability to do like an animation or something for it, because I have like this thing that I made.
Is that in the game somewhere right now?
No, it's not. This is just art.
What's it called? What's the sprite file called?
Tilemaps.asprite. It's probably not in the project.
It's really just called tilemaps.asprite. That's funny.
Yeah, well, because look what it has in it.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
Hold up. Can you? I'm gonna put that back on. I'm gonna put that on my screen. I just want you to. He has just an asprite file with like all of the fucking tile maps.
Is this like weird?
It feels
What's wrong with this?
to me. Yes.
Where else would I put them?
I don't know. Just like.
Look at this bell. This is a cool bell.
Different asprite files.
No. I'm not gonna have like 50
you don't even have
different
like tags
asprite
or
files
anything down
open.
at the bottom. That's crazy. It's like fucked up and evil. All right, that's fine, I guess. So level transitions. I'll probably move this up a little bit.
I mean, have you seen this file?
Yeah, you've got some shit going on. There's a boy kisser in there, which is very, very funny. It's just gonna always be there.
Yeah, it probably will. It's over top of a low quality drawing of Gabe Newell.
Hold on.
Never forget. You didn't need to turn on shared chat, by the way.
Size on.
Do you need to turn on shared chat, I think?
Scan. Yeah, give me a second, brother. Let me get these thoughts out of my brain. This is what I was talking about last night whenever Nasitos was having tech issues and you made like a comment. I'm like, don't ever have tech issues around JW. He will make it 1,000 times worse.
Yep, this is true.
This is true. I think he got his tech stuff figured out, by the way, but I don't know why he was using just base Debian instead of like a quote-unquote real version of Linux, but that's fine. He got it working. I'm happy for him.
Hello, silly
so
cat.
I'm gonna add size on hit scan. I also want to hit scan enemy attack. I don't 100% know what all you wanted with that, but I can look into setting that up and putting it together an example. Like,
yeah, basically
I just like swapping out what's in the flying enemy or something and seeing how hard that will be.
That's what I was trying to do. Then I was like, wait, I don't know how to do this.
Yeah. So hello, little DC. All right, let me turn on shared chat.
Debian isn't real
Sharing
Linux,
chat.
this guy. What do you mean?
So here's one really cool thing that I just want to show off to the people. Which is I did some pathfinding changes. Did you push up your changes actually, your goblins?
Pretty sure
Okay,
I did.
I'll pull those in a second and then I'll merge everything together and it should be good for it to go. But I made some pathfinding changes. If you remember, JW, do you still have the game open?
Not currently.
Okay, can you open the game and go to the start room in the flesh level, first level?
Yeah.
Okay. Shift our LS1, by the way, will get you into the first level without having to go through the starting the level cutscene thing.
No, we also need to make the start level cutscene like a lot better.
Yeah.
I do, if you could help, I do want to figure out how to animate him, like jumping into things like that.
Yeah, I haven't figured that out fully either. But if you shift RDD and then turn on tile navigation, I just want to show people what it looked like before.
Ah, yeah, looks terrible.
So this is what the tile map thing looked like. And if you could spawn in a ground enemy or something somewhere and then turn on the enemy navigation as well.
See, it looks terrible.
Oh, yeah, the red's hard to see because of your low quality render thing. The
lines, yeah.
But yeah, also, yeah, can you stand on the left platform?
The left platform? Yeah, he can't reach me up here, can he? Stupid little guy.
Okay, so, if we go ahead and go back to my version, you can stop doing that. You can do whatever you want now. But,
Yay!
Okay, this is what the pathfinding nodes look like now. So there's no longer the ones in the middle of the air. Everything that he showed there is still run through and made. It's just that the final navigation is no longer like all of the extra nodes. It's just like, here are the things that we care about. And if I spawn in a ground enemy, which I have that on, so I can do PL to load that. So this is what the pathfinding looks like now, which is, it's a little hard to tell the difference, but it's basically before what was happening was you had, this was a corner point, this was a corner point, and this was technically a corner point. And so all of these points had connections to these points here. Like each one was like, I'm connected to you, I'm connected to you, I'm connected to you, and so on. And then they were also connected with each other, which was a bitch. And it ended up creating like, it was like a few 100,000 connections if you wanted to iterate through all of them and do some weird shit. But now it is like one connection, or like this node is connected to this node. This node is connected to these two nodes, and so on, so that when the enemy says, I want to pathfind from here to here, it like makes out the full connection. There are some jumps here and there, as you can see, mainly because of their ability to jump. So I actually improved his ability to jump and reason where he could go, because before, if he was on this platform, this node only knew that it could go to here. But in truth, he can also fall down to here. Same thing. It's honestly interesting that this one isn't doing that. And I think that's because of the gap like algorithm I'm doing. So maybe don't worry about that. I'll probably take a note of that and do something about it. But it's just like way more like correct, I guess. And so you can see that if I like stand up here, he jumps all the way up. If I go over here, he jumps all the way up. And for the most part, he doesn't do any weird midair turnarounds. He does it sometimes. But if I go into room 10 and spawn one right here, you'll see what he does is really cool. And I'm actually a huge fan of this, which is... shit. I was... Sorry, I fucked up the time scale. Lol. Get up here, buddy. Alright, so if I slow down the game, one cool thing that he does now is different than what he used to. So before, when he was falling, he would aim specifically for this point and stop. Like once he got to this midair line, he would no longer hold right. But of course, I'm stupid and didn't actually pause the game when I did that. But now he will fall past it and will not like stop all of his horizontal movement once he's gone over this point, because he knows that he needs to keep going right. So now this is his target point and he will just continue going to the right, which is very nice and very cool. It's also way more efficient. It's also way less oops, we're freezing the game. Before with the goblins, like I don't know, like 20 of them on screen would just cause the game to fucking just, like lock up, and it's still gonna do that because I have debug drawing turned on. But like, it no longer lags with just like a bunch of goblins on screen. It lags a little bit, mostly rendering, or minor code optimizations because there are just a gajillion of them doing things. But before it would stutter for like many seconds. I wonder if killing that guy. Yeah, so there we go. So this is way better. So you can see they're just moving around and grooving. So I'm very excited about that. Let me pull your changes and then I will push up those pathfinding changes. I also changed my Linux shell, so now it's using fish, and it looks so pretty.
Where's the fish? I don't see fish.
So, this is fish. Have you ever seen the ASCII art of like a simple fish?
Maybe.
It's that.
Oh, that's fish.
It's a fish. All right, Visual Studio Code time. So you pushed your stuff up to
the
main branch. Okay. I'll do a pull and we'll see. Okay, so it's upset about something. What are we upset about? From origin head. Fuck. What you got? What do I need to do? Goblin Follow and Goblin Wander have changes, but those are not important changes for me. I can kill them. Goblin has changes that are not important to me, I don't think. I think you fixed those. If there are any, we can find out, but probably not. These don't matter, although I guess I will push them up. I don't believe they're being used anywhere, and I'd be very surprised if they were. I probably will end up using one of these today, I think. Actually, let me write something down. What the fuck was I gonna do? Oh, yeah. Fire status fix multiple area additional fire, which will use the full property. Okay, that's fine. I figured out what I wanted to do with that. I had a thought about it today and I didn't write it down, and I'm glad that it came back to me because I think it would have been lost forever. I think I fixed that, but we'll see. Why not just git add dot? Because there's a few files in here that are just like, I don't want to commit up. Like if I ever change the project.godot
committing up
main
every
scene,
change.
Yeah, but sometimes I'll change the main scene of the project, and so I'll load directly into a level, and I'm like, I don't want to commit that up because then it's gonna like change it for JW as well, and I think that would be terrible. And I think JW would be like, what the hell? What happened? Biddy, what happened? And I don't want to have to answer the question of how do I stop this? This can be killed. Ground follow nav, you can be killed. Chest scene, you can be killed. You and you can both be killed, I think. Cool. Okay. Go from main. Really? Who and what? Oh, docs to do. I see. Oh yeah. I also just like going through my changes to see if there's anything that doesn't make sense. Like something I forgot to revert or whatever. It's just a habit that I have from work. Especially because we put things up for review before I can actually merge things in. Oh my god, what? Oh, this. So I was fucking around with Mac build because you were talking about needing a Mac build.
Oh, were you?
Yeah. What did you change to the... export presets? What the hell?
Export presets. Oh, I think I hit the Mac thing as well because I wanted to look at it.
Okay.
And then I forgot that it pushes that up too, so you can just kill whatever is on my end.
Let's see. That's okay. I just reverted my change to the export presets thing. I was just like, what the hell did you do with it? I was like, I didn't think that you would have done anything with it recently. You just like to force push everything. Your commits are more important. Dude,
So true,
force pushing is always so terrifying for me, even though I know exactly what it does and exactly what like happens. I'm just like, uh-oh. I don't have to force push often, but sometimes I do. And it's always terrifying. It never gets easier.
Uh-oh. Okay. I see. What? Why is it still crashing? Oh wait, I might be the dumbest person ever. There we go. Okay, that works. Okay, so now it just automatically opens the text and does the first section of text.
GW?
Yeah? Hi?
Okay. Sorry, my Discord
What?
crashed, apparently.
Oh, okay, I was wondering. I was like, your little guy disappeared, and I was like, wait, what happened?
Yeah, no, my Discord crashed. I don't know why, I don't know how, but we're back.
That's my job. I'm the one who crashes
Yeah,
my
I know,
Discord.
I know. It's weird. Oh, my OBS is also still showing your old Discord screen share. There we go. Bonk. And bonk. And the bonk. Okay. What the fuck was I saying? Oh yeah, did you hear anything that I was talking about Godot 4.7?
No. I didn't hear any of that. If you said it
said
while
that,
you were in call, I didn't hear it.
Yeah. I just said that we need to, before the game, the demo gets built, we have to download the 4.7 beta and build it and then publish it through that without testing anything. And I don't know, just because it'd be funny.
Oh, that would be funny. I mean, if we're gonna do that, we should at least do that now so that way we can use the cool features and make like fancy UI.
I mean, if you want, we can. I can look.
I mean, I do want to juice up the UI, and that's going to make it extremely easy compared to what it is currently.
Yeah, I can take a look at 4.7 and see. But
maybe. You can look at that.
I also talked about how I'm not a huge fan of the fact that we have a 4.6.3. Less of a fan of, oh, these fixes are getting like backported or whatever, but it's more of, I'm like, I'm a little worried because it feels like most recent releases have had like a 4.5.1 or 4.4.1 or whatever, which makes me feel like the updates were like a little more buggy than they used to be. But it might also just be that we have more people looking to
Yeah, I mean, there's a
patch
lot of
things
stuff.
in
Like,
non-major versions.
bugs are like kind of
Yeah.
inevitable.
Yeah, it's just it has me a little worried, but I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it knows what they're doing. Can you pet the furry noodle covered in hands? I don't know, probably.
No.
If you can catch him, that motherfucker runs away. God forbid you want to have a conversation talking to him while you're walking through the fucking halls of like a hotel.
Well, that's because you start barking.
That doesn't make any fucking sense. But okay.
You literally do.
Whatever the fuck you say, man. Whatever you say.
This guy was like barking in the hotel.
Chad, do you think I would do that? That doesn't sound like me. How do I... Why is my game... Oh. Oops. Well, goblins. Goblins work currently. I can just like grab a goblin card and... Hey, look at that.
Yeah. Theoretically.
Oh, they're goblins. They're gobbing it.
Hold up, why is this not showing the right screen? There we go.
Oh, things are...
Hmm?
Is there something, did they just attack anything that's an enemy?
Yes.
Do dummies count as enemies?
No, they've never counted as enemies. For, like, anything, and I don't know why.
Me, whenever I'm a liar? They literally are. Okay, so there's an issue here. Which is, funny.
That is funny. Oh, I think the DPS dummy doesn't, but the regular dummies might.
Yeah, I need to... I don't believe that happens with the ground enemy fire guy on this version of the pathfinding. At least I hope not. Yeah, okay, so I need to make some change. That was weird. I need to make some changes to whatever you're doing here because they're not correctly pathfinding up there. Or they're pathfinding, they're just not correctly navigating it. So how do these guys work now? Goblin .tres? T-skin? This one?
Yes.
Okay, so their movement is handled via this thing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
which the like target and stuff is set in the state machine. It's a little messy.
Yeah.
I tried making it less messy than it was, and I think the goblin's more messy because it's doing different stuff than like the enemies. The enemies are a little less messy. Because with this, with the enemies, it's like there's one player that they go after. With the goblins, it's like I have it picking a random target. I think originally I wanted it to be like the closest target, but then they would always target the same one, and then they would kind of all stack on each other. So if it picks a random one, it always like.
This, by the way,
ground enemy input driver.
Like I know you moved this over. Did you make any changes to this?
A little bit. Like recently.
Like whenever you moved it over to ground enemy input driver.
Yes.
Like
definitely
compared to when this was just ground follow nav.
I definitely did, but I don't really know exactly what. I'm not exactly sure what you're asking.
That's okay. I'll just toss it into it like a. I'll toss it into a diff checker and then I just want to see what you changed because I need to apply the changes that I made to ground follow nav that I didn't apply to this.
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna work on my thing.
And they use the player's movement, right? Same driver.
They use the player's movement. Yes, they do.
Okay, sick. So, what's going on here? Sorry, light mode jump scare. This site is in light mode for whatever reason. Can I turn it to dark mode? I can. Beautiful. So, if there's a wall cast, I see. Okay, sure. If there's a ground cast, then you do the same thing. There's a change here, which is different than what I was doing, because that was a change that I made. Okay, so let's just start by this. I doubt that that's gonna fix it. Yeah, I don't. What are they doing exactly? Move direction is vector 2.0. Let's Can I spawn in like just a single goblin? Does that work?
That should, yeah.
Okay. And they'll still go towards the enemy that I have up there? Okay, sick.
Yeah, pretty much they won't deal damage properly because they don't have a card instance, but
it's not reaching that motherfucker, so
that's fine. Probably should have something that sets it if there isn't a card instance, just in case we want to do something like with the salmon where like it can still get spawned somehow.
I'm trying to figure out why he's breaking like that. Oh wait, does the ground enemy have a different driver? Nope. Alright, time to add some debug printing. And by debug printing, I mean time to render some debug printing. Okay, cool. That works. Frame advance this bitch.
Is this flute salad? No, that's sea shanty too.
That's crazy that you don't even know the difference. They are very obviously, if you hear them, you know which one is flute salad and you know which one is sea shanty too. Because like they have very different vibes.
I don't know. It sounds like the same.
Honestly, that's crazy. Can we kill this guy? That one's sea shanty too, and it always will be because it's very sea shanty like, and it goes. Did I line it up by the chance, or were you listening to Flute Salad? I don't remember which one you said you were listening to. But, man, I really wish that I can hit that lineup again that we had. Move direction. Move direction is the input, right? Yeah. So you're holding left. You are jumping. You're yumping. You are holding right. Why are you holding right? Oh, you're holding right because you're yeah. You're holding right because it is grabbing this position. Are you updating the pathfinding called every frame?
Probably. I don't know.
Oh, what the hell? Okay, question. I just want to make sure I understand. I know. So he's right here. He's going towards this dummy. He is currently in the state called follow. Okay, cool. So in follow. Oh, that's another thing that could potentially be an issue here, by the way. You have a moment to look, or are you in the middle of anything?
I'm looking, yeah.
So, just a quick heads up. If I don't know if this is intentional, and this does. I don't think this actually ends up mattering as much, but if this is like uh if this condition is met and you want him to switch out of the state and there's other stuff going on below it, you probably want to do a return here
Yeah.
to stop you from executing the rest of the code.
Yeah.
Not that it matters as much here because the transition checks to see if it's coming from the active state, and if it swaps out of the state, then any later transition calls will not do anything. But
Yeah.
If there was anything like
Yeah.
exciting going on there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like it isn't reaching the nav point. I think what it's doing is, I believe it's updating the pathfinding very often. Because the ground enemy, once he enters the air, he doesn't re-update his pathfinding until he gets back on the ground or certain conditions are met. Whereas it looks like he updated his pathfinding while he was in the air, which causes some oddities. Because for some reason, and I this may just be an error on my part, or it may be the fact that his position is like here. For some reason, this ends up becoming his active node rather than this one, even though like visually to us, it looks like he's closer to this one on the right. So let me see if I can figure out where this is being
Let you
updated.
figure that out and mess with my text boxes.
Okay. Ground enemy input driver is process. Wait, what? Am I stupid? Probably.
So actually, for the text box, I have a like static constructor that I'm using so you can make a text box from anywhere. And I think what I'm gonna do is just have additional options for whether it like auto plays or not. So if it auto plays, it will. Do I want to do that? No, I won't do that. I'll do it in a separate one because I'm also realizing I also have like the fancy bars that show up on the screen that I probably want to make those separate as well from the regular text box, because right now if I wanted to put a text box on anything, it would give me the bars, which I don't necessarily want everywhere. I'll pull those out eventually. So where do I want to do this? I guess I could just extend this.
Did you make any changes to this, I wonder? Show history. You did not. What the hell? Alright, let me look at this then.
Although if I extend it, I have to make a new static constructor, right? If I extended it, so like I have text box, but what if I wanted to have like interaction text box? That would have to make like a interaction text box dot create text box, whatever.
No,
No,
I don't think so. Shouldn't. I don't see why you would.
because it's a different type. Like if I said,
But if it extends the same type, it should be able to be the base type.
I guess.
Unless you want it to have a different scene, which would matter, but
Yeah, it would have to be a different scene, right?
I don't know. Maybe.
Cause like it's I don't see how I would do that without a different scene. I'm confused.
So what all is being added to the interaction text box?
Like the ability for it to pop up and like when you like press E, it'll continue the text or like skip it and things like that, and then like close it once it finishes, and probably like pause player in.
I mean, those
movement and
don't
stuff.
sound like they need to be in a different scene. Those kind of sound like features that would be in the base text box, but it's just like handling them with interaction, I would assume.
Yeah, I mean that's what I have. Is like I have functions for like next text, close, things like that.
Yeah.
I'm confused.
So why would you need a different scene? What would be
Where
like,
am I
what
going
would
to
be
put it in
this
this scene? I'm confused.
You said you wanted to put it in a different scene, correct?
Yes. Well, how do I extend
what
it
are you
without
putting?
making a different scene? I'm confused.
You just do extend text box, like.
Oh, yeah, I guess you're right.
You do like class name interactive text box, extends text box, and then you can change the type of it to be the interactive text box instead.
But I'd still have to make a new static constructor.
Not really. I don't think. But even if you did, there are ways that you could get away with it that doesn't like. I can help you out with it later if you want. Like after you get it to the point where it like works, but there are ways that you don't have to just duplicate the entire thing, especially like making a separate scene that doesn't have any difference from the original.
Yeah, I mean, I can just extend it and give it a new constructor, but I don't see how I would do it with the old one.
You would. Where's somewhere else that we have a static constructor currently?
Explosion.
Explosion.
I can't think of any others right now, but
okay, that's okay. So let's say I made this. So do that, and then I believe I would be able to do something like that. Can I cast that? Let me actually make sure. I don't 100% remember. Can I do cast to that? What does this require? Is this a position? Oh, attacked on you. I believe that works. I mean, it seems like it does. Because the explosion class has this function in it. And since my explosion extends explosion, my explosion inherits the function. JW?
Yeah, I'm
okay. I just wanted to make sure you're
still just return a regular explosion. Like if I said new explosion dot create explosion or whatever, and it's calling the old explosion, the base create explosion, it's just going to return a base explosion.
Am I smoking crack and thinking that you can just say do this as this superclass? I might be, but I don't.
Like if I made a new thing that extended this and said like interact text box dot create text box, and it ran this, it would still just return a regular text box.
Maybe. I'll play around with it once you're.
I'm just going to make a
new
one and just give it its own custom constructor rather than trying to figure out if I can do it without doing that, because it'll probably work if I do that.
Yeah. I'll play around with it after. I
That's
just don't. I might be like confusing what features GDScript has with other languages, but
yeah, that's why you just
That's
learn GDScript and nothing else. Solution.
So why was this updating again? Where was this updating again? There, that's the bad one. Get next path point. So get next path point. Path exists. I'm assuming, at least. Maybe I shouldn't be, but let me see if I can get this thing consistently. If I can consistently get the correct frame when this happens. Is it the second frame that it's airborne?
What is going on over there?
Yeah. Nothing, don't worry about it.
Okay. I'm not worried.
Okay, it is the second frame that it's airborne, so I can just like jumps, and then now I can put a breakpoint. And if I hit next, I go here. Okay, cool. So path exists, so that doesn't happen. Path exists, index.
Good Steam working on my Chromebook. Let's go. That's fire. Okay, so I think theoretically this should work.
So path direction is left. That's correct. We are moving in left. Correct. If we are not on floor and the sign of our current direction is the same as our path direction, or is different, so this should fail.
I can't even open up Dante's 9. What happened?
What?
Biddy, plea.
What happened?
I don't know. I don't know what happened.
Well, huh? What happened? Why, huh? Otherwise, if it is not on the floor... Wait, hold on. So this is the case for checking the next point. Great. That works fine. This one is if we've already reached our target. Oh, hold on. Wait, I might be stupid.
So it just like doesn't open, is what you're saying? That is sad. Unfortunate. Now we have to make a Chromebook.
Oh, you're on a Chromebook? Oh god. Can you try Proton Experimental? I don't remember what Chrome OS is. I'm fairly certain it's a Linux based, and I think you have access to Proton.
Bro, just saying words.
It's fine. You don't have to understand the words I'm saying. I know you don't, so it's okay.
Oh, yeah, Biddy, it doesn't work.
Oh,
because it's returning a text box, and it should be returning an interact text box. Because text box here, the scene is text box, which the script on it is the regular text box, not the interact text box.
Can you... Soldier Boy, tell him. What does this do? Hold on. Can you do me a favor? And can you add a line onto the instantiate that you've got there inside of the second version?
Mm-hmm.
Like the other static function that you got. And can you just do as interact text box? Or whatever you... Yeah. And then try running that and see what happens. I don't know what the... I hope you don't have to do a new scene. That would be annoying. I wonder if there's a way you can just, like, tell it, yo, dog, just be this type.
Besides that, how was your day? Pretty good. As good as it can be without opening magic packs.
Okay, so it's no. Okay, yeah. I guess you do have to make a new scene, because... Weird, honestly.
Can
I thought there was a way... You can make an inherited scene.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I couldn't remember what it was called. Where is it? Text box. There it is.
Find it in the file system. And then you can just right-click and new inherited. Okay, I was just like telling you how to do it because it seemed like you were going the wrong direction.
Yeah, I was.
So, yeah,
like,
I know,
I'm
I
still
saw.
Gonna...
Let's see. So spawn ground enemy fire.
Yeah, this is literally like really easy.
Oh,
to do it this
shit.
way.
Oh, no. Oops.
Where's interact? We have
What?
like so many scripts in this game. It's like a little bit evil. I'm not going to lie. Like this is the
it's a
UI.
little evil.
This is just the UI.
Yeah. Yes, there's so much that goes on that makes shit work. You have no idea.
I literally do. I wrote like half of this.
No, you didn't. Do not tell fibs.
I literally did. I wrote like half of it originally, and then you fixed all of it.
I wonder.
Okay. Interact text box. Source UI. Interact text box.
Wait.
So now I need to make a static.
Oh, I see a difference, kind of. I think potentially. No, I don't. I lied. I don't see shit. What's happening here?
Okay, we will see if this works.
What? It shuts off soon after. Yeah, if you right-click on it and set your Proton version to experimental, does that change anything positively or negatively? I don't. I don't. Hello, Mr. Gamersby. How are you doing?
It almost works, kind of.
What the fuck is going on here, dude? Oh, I'm gonna lose my mind. Kinda. Not really, but... Excuse me.
Shit, I can just do...
Wait, I wonder... Chances. What are the fucking chances, man? Oh my god, 4.7 can't come soon enough. Holy shit.
Outer Wilds is a good game, you're right.
Quote from a guy who has not made it past... Uh-oh, Scary Ocean.
Well, it's because it's scary, okay?
So you have input... Oh no, because this is input driver, raycast, tile navigation, movement. Okay. This is... Where's the input? Oh, input. Nav. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, I see. So input raycast nav movement. Raycast nav movement. Let's try that. If that's the case, then I would like to rewrite some of this because I may have made it so a little stupid and dumb.
Also, we will want to change how we're passing in like text for this for like translations and stuff because
we want to change the way we're passing in text everywhere.
Yeah, this is not. we should have a different script for every language.
That's true. Yeah, that might be the move. Honestly,
that might be the move. Updating a Proton 9. Okay, let me know if it works.
FQ. Oh shit, spooks.
Okay,
that's funny. That's a problem. That's. Oh no. Okay, you're working, but that's. You're not working, but you're not. I don't know how the other one made it up then. One of them made it up there. How the fuck did you do that? Peter, how are you doing that?
Peter.
Is it just like there's a random chance for them to... Oh. Cool. Oh no. I... Let me do a thing. I need to do some evil shit, potentially. And that's okay. If input.is action just pressed.
Why is it not playing my text? I mean, it looks cool. It's not working as intended.
How am I doing? I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing all right. Nah, I'm doing pretty damn good, honestly. For the most part. I don't know what the hell's going on with this this pathfinding thing, but I am attempting to figure it out. Oh, I need to make a queue redraw. Oopsies. Oh, I need to convert that back to world position, it seems. Oops. Actually, pathfind to...
Okay, so the text is right. Did not work with compatibility mode. It runs it on what is it? OpenGL instead of Vulkan, right?
Yeah.
So it'll look terrible, but like it might work.
It doesn't look terrible.
It looks pretty terrible.
What?
I will.
Are you sure? The Steam version shouldn't. It doesn't downgrade it to like mobile rendering. It just tells it to not use OpenGL because a lot of graphics cards don't have OpenGL. Or sorry, they don't have Vulkan. A lot of the older ones.
Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't.
It's also
doesn't
gonna
look terrible.
Really? What the fuck? Why? I thought that it only. What the hell? What's the launch option do? Again, I don't remember.
What?
What does it change? The launch option. I'm opening up Steamworks. Don't worry. This is a question I'm asking myself.
But it might work like that.
Yeah, it might. Let me look at the. I'm gonna keep you on stream because I'm looking at the.
Yeah, that's okay.
Steamworks thing. It's not on main monitor, but just in case. Where's the? Is it general installation, launch options?
Yeah, that may work.
Yeah, rendering
since
driver
you're on
OpenGL.
Chromebook.
Really weird.
I mean, that's pretty much what switching to the mobile renderer does. Is it just changes it to OpenGL?
So the problem with that is I'm fairly certain the mobile renderer doesn't look like shit. The compatibility does.
Or the compatibility, that's what I meant. Compatibility is literally just OpenGL.
You're saying words that I don't think you understand, and that's okay. I didn't know that it looked wrong. However, yes, you are right in this case, but you are not right about OpenGL being just compatibility. Compatibility is an older version of OpenGL because you can change the renderer to be OpenGL, which mine actually might. What the fuck is the rendering set to right now? Can I check what is? Yeah, current OpenGL is OpenGL 4. OpenGL 3 is just like an old version.
That's what I get for a 4GB Chromebook. Yeah.
4 gigabytes. Damn, I didn't know we had that kind of money that we're just slinging around. It's a lot of RAM. It's like $5,000 right now. Excuse me. Paystar's not declared in the current scope? What? Are we smoking crack? Oh no, I guess we're not. Alright, well never mind, scratch that idea. I'll just render it directly, I guess. I was like, I don't want to accidentally put it in the wrong spot, but... Oh, I'm also drawing the wrong damn thing. If debug, cell 1, draw circle. And I need to map this tile map to local. Yeah, there we go.
Thanks for trying to help. Yeah, of course. Hopefully someday you can play it. Maybe it'll be out by then. For right now, you just have to wait and watch Northern Lion play it when he plays it on stream.
Yeah, because he's he'll play it. Yeah.
Who is texting?
Dude, imagine that. I can't even imagine you watching Northern Lion play your game.
That is like my second goal after getting a plushie. Plushie is like success. Like? Northern Lion playing it is like, okay, I can retire now.
It's so fucked up.
Am I wrong? No, I'm not wrong.
You're fucked up is what it is. Also want this to, I'll just put draw circle at vector 2.0, radius of 10, color dot blue, and turn this shit off. CL, and I believe Q spawns a goblin. Yeah, there's a gob.
Gob.
Oh my god, he's making it. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, he didn't make it.
Why is this not working? Got to go. All right. Goodbye, twin. Have a good night. Assuming it's night there. I don't know where you are. Good luck.
Wait, what's causing the jump, I wonder? Is it, there's a lot of weird shit going on here, actually, that I'm seeing. Does he have different parameters than...
Sorry.
Nah, it's fine, dude.
I was trying to meow along to the song and I like horribly failed.
Yeah. Does he have any different acceleration or anything from 400 to 5900.12?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's just not.
To 5900.12.
It's not getting too. Hello? Why is this not working?
Hello.
I need to just like print random stuff out more often than just like staring at it trying to figure it out.
That is genuinely
Is this
true,
just-
yeah.
Is the physics process not running?
What's up? If you added it after the fact, is this in the right script?
It's in text box.
Did you override physics process in the other one? In the internet
Oh.
text box?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to call super delta.
I didn't know you had to do that with physics process still. I might be like a little stupid.
With delta.
So that's why none of it was working. Oh, delta.
With delta. Your nice design. I didn't design it. It is a nice design, though. I do agree. But thank you for the
So
compliments.
now it might work.
GW actually did good art. This is true. Why is it going back?
How will this work? There we go. Look at that.
Hold on. I might still be really stupid.
Wait. Didn't like that one. Weird stuff going on. I don't know what's going on. Figure it out.
Holy shit, dude, it's fucking flute salad. I don't understand. I'm like so fucking lost on this one. So you're doing
Wait, I know.
body position.
Why this isn't working? I think that needs to happen.
Oh. I see. That's a slight problem. So what's happening here is I need a different color. Pink. So his position here, that still doesn't work, but his position here is being converted to the grid, which becomes this red dot. And then the red dot says, what is the closest point on the A-star grid to me? And there are two options, which is either the one that is intuitive or the one that is not. But it doesn't really know which one is intuitive given the context.
Hi, lazy.
So maybe what I can do... I know what I can do. So I need to say A-star get point or get... I hate to do this. I think I have an answer though. Oh, who designed it? Sorry, JW did. He's the artist that I'm, or the other person in the call right now. He's doing actually programming right now, but he's the artist for the game. So what I need to do is I need to check the neighbor points. So for X in 3 or Y in 3. Sorry, for I in 3 and for J in 3. X is 1. Y is J minus 1.
There's too many numbers going on. Hello, Duo Gamers B.
Sorry, that's Mr. Gamers B.
Mr. Gamers B, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
My bad.
It's a little insensitive.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Why does it do this? Hello?
Why does it do, huh?
When I do it... I think I... Oh, wait, I think I see. This needs to be text. -1, right?
Oh, I know what I can do. I know what I can do
There
better.
we go. I got it, guys.
I can do this way better. So console.print. Okay. So we're going from, which is getting converted.
It actually works.
Local is tilemap.to local from, and then which is tilemap words as from cell. I think what I need to do is I need to convert this rather than just doing yeah, because this is going, wait, what? -23. Huh? What? Is it every 16 it looks like it's supposed to be? Mayhaps?
Okay, so what does the B stand for? It probably stands for balls, if I had to make a guess.
That's Jerry Yoshikage, thank you.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, sorry. Let me, Oh, I wonder who that is over in my YouTube chat. Lol. Yes, flute salad, yummy, yummy. My fucking beloved.
Is that...
Also, how high from the
Harish?
fourth tile before you start updating pathfinding? Or stop updating pathfinding? It's supposed to be way, like, sooner. It looks like it's doing it for one more frame than it's supposed to be, which I don't 100% know what to do about. I just want to put out a fix that makes it work right now, and then I would like to come back and maybe adjust some of the controls.
My homie duo gamer balls.
Actually,
that's crazy. Also, the text box works now.
It's quite nice. It sounds like it would stand for that.
So you can interact with it, and it'll type out, and then if you press E once it's done, it'll close, and then if you press E while it's typing, it'll skip to the next one. It will skip to the end, and then if there's a... Actually, I should probably text. Never mind.
What the fuck are you saying?
I give up.
What the
I'm
fuck
never
are you
talking
even
again.
saying?
I'll never speak again.
Let's fucking go!
Tell Timber that is not what it stands for.
No, that's not even...
It doesn't.
I don't know why I just started doing the Smash Ultimate thing, but whatever.
Where's my text? So theoretically, I should have checked this before. If I add more text to cat tree, where are you? Let's also add...
Oops, sorry, there's a lot of text on the screen.
Merp. Meow, meow, meow.
Merp. Damn, bro, he attacks so slow. Look at him go.
Also, Biddy, one thing that we could probably do to fix the thing that you were saying with the text, oh, it does have auto wrap on. I thought it didn't.
Yeah.
So it should. Maybe if it's just Word, it'll do it. Instead of Word Smart. Temper, do you use Linux or Windows? I use Windows. Yeah. Unfortunately. I'm sorry.
Cool. Okay, that fixes it for now. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm leaving it there. And if it causes issues, it causes issues, but hopefully it doesn't. Okay, cool. All right. So on to the things that I actually wanted to do today. Level transitions.
Yeah, that doesn't work.
Let's do level transitions. How do you want me to prototype this? How do you want me to set it up?
That's a good question.
Do you want it to be like Gungeon? How whenever fuck, you haven't played Isaac. Do you want it to be like Gungeon, where whenever you beat the boss, there's like another room that opens up that you can go into, and that's your way out? Or do you want it to be like...
I think that's going to be the best way to do it.
Okay, sure. So like you beat the boss, and then there's like an exit that opens up, and you can go through it, and it takes you to a specific room that is just the exit.
Yeah.
Okay. Just the next level elevator thing.
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking of doing the pillar thing. I was also thinking of making like a big ancient elevator thing that just like is fancy and cool, but that takes more effort.
Yeah.
Tempo, what happened to the one heart? Don't worry about it. I got a little hungry.
By the way, I did try setting up a virtual machine and I gave up. I was going to set up a virtual machine so that I could tell it that it's using an ultra wide monitor so I could try to replicate the bug without being on your computer. I'll have to see if my neighbors have an ultra wide monitor. I hope that they don't. I hope they tell me no, because I don't want to have an ultra wide anywhere near me. So let's make a new room. Room template. I don't remember how up to date this is with the actual... I think this should be up to date, hopefully.
Okay.
Do y'all fuck with the Mario Kart 64 soundtrack?
Yeah, sure. Whatever you say.
I'm a big fan. Whoa, room. It is a room. We're rooming it all over the place. Also, yeah, the AI for the goblins jumping is just like it's the same as the enemy guys on the ground, except like a little different and unfortunate. And I need to make it make a little bit more sense because some of the shit that I changed used to have dedicated jump here, jump there, like flags on some of the nodes, and that isn't the thing here now. It's kind of just like a general, you want to go up, let's go up, which doesn't work 100%. Doesn't even work most of the way, actually. So let's kill these two exits. And you are a southwest exit and a southeast exit. And let me hide the nav region. And for the ground, God, I don't remember how to use this. I haven't done anything tile map in a while. Why the fuck is this grid so bright? Can I change this?
Okay, there we go. Text now works with multiple things that they say.
Oh, there we go.
Isn't that quite wonderful? I actually really like that, and that wasn't bad.
Whoa.
So it'll pop up,
That's
it'll
sick,
type
dude.
out, and then you can go to the next one and close it, or you can just like skip through it if you want to like.
Is it using a rich text label or a regular label?
Rich text label.
Okay, and it's using one of the built-in like versions,
You mean one of the built-in versions?
like a theme variation.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Did you change any of the font sizes?
I think I overrided the size because
Okay,
it had
if
to
you-
be like 48 specifically for the
Yeah, so if you're
pixel
doing something
sizing
like
to
that,
be-
if you wouldn't mind adding like a variation with that size so that we don't have to override it everywhere that's being used.
Okay.
And also so we can change it on a...
Yeah.
I can walk you through it.
Also,
want.
I realized, do we have a function to add things to the UI layer? I forget about that because right now this is in the world, which is going to look weird with, oh, also it plays a sound when you open up this menu now. You might have that on your end. I don't remember.
Oh, I don't know. I have the sound turned off.
Oh. You play the entire game with all sound off?
Yeah, I mean...
You might need to be, like, banned from this stream.
Okay.
Like,
Probably true.
you just play the entire game with no sound on when you're making it?
Yeah.
That's like half the game.
I don't think so.
Like, I'm not joking. That is, like, very important to know what
Maybe.
it sounds like and if something sounds wrong so you can be like, oh, this sounds off. I should note that down. Sound is, like, extremely important and very overlooked. Like, even just having, like, a low-quality menu open sound makes this feel, like, 10 times more polished. Are you gonna hide any Easter eggs in the game? Yeah, definitely. What was I even doing? I forget. I got distracted because of your insane comment.
My fault, dude.
Oh, also, why is there a drop shadow on here?
Where? Oh, I don't know. I don't remember when that got added. Genuinely.
Very cool.
Also, the thing at the top right, or at the top is resource tables. It's an add-on that just allows you to select a folder, and then it'll show all of the resources in that folder in a Excel spreadsheet format that you can edit. Whoa, egg room. Room shaped like egg. Kinda. Dude, this room's kind of shaped like the Northern Line Super Cruise. Rest in peace.
R.I.P. Northern Line Super Cruise. We need to make a Dante 9 Super Cruise in game.
What a terrible thing to say. Oh shit! You know what I haven't checked actually? It has nothing to do with Super Cruise or anything. Excuse me. It's a main menu. Oh yeah, I do hear it actually. I don't have sound off. I lied apparently. I guess I just don't pay attention to it. I don't know why the ground isn't populating here. This is very weird.
How's development going?
Is it populated
Hello,
before?
Scorpion, how are you doing? It is going well. I just added a little text box that can pop up. just for fun. Just in case we need it for anything, which we might. I probably don't want to have a ton of dialogue because that means more translations, and translations are probably expensive. I don't know. Oh, I need to add sounds to this too.
What?
There's some sounds.
What level transition are you leaning towards, by the way?
What do you mean? What level transition am I leaning towards?
Train, elevator, up, down, left, right.
Elevator, up, down.
Back, forth.
Yeah.
Up, down. Okay.
Yeah.
Dope. Dude, this motherfucker's in 3 streams. What the hell? Overstimulation.
Streams all at once. You could have 4 if you opened like both of our Twitch streams, even though they're like pretty much the same. Actually, I guess they're not the same. That's the same chat. So.
Yeah, but they already have both of our YouTube streams open, so they're just on Twitch for the chat.
Yeah, but like.
You're releasing your full game on this Friday? What the hell? That's sick.
That is tough. What is it called? I need to see.
What would you call the object for moving between levels?
The object for moving between levels?
Okay, object.
Level pillar. It's like a pillar. Like coin. Oh yes, I remember seeing that in I forget which server I saw that in, but
I'm just thinking like if I wanted to do like Control P, get to this thing. I do what? I type in like floor end. That's
yeah,
or some shit.
Yeah, sure. Just call it whatever. It's fine. I can't think right now.
Yeah, that's fair.
4 streams, like my brain. Now you just gotta put on some Northern Line bits and banter in the background. This looks pretty good, Scorpion. Yeah, it's good for 6 months. We've been working ours for like 2 years, which is way too long. They're evil. Oops. Oh, sorry, I had Biddy Vision on. I did not mean to have Biddy Vision on.
As if I've been working on this for 2 years. Yuck. Do we have any good sprites to use as like a placeholder? I found Boy Kisser. Never mind. We're good.
Oh, we got AI viewers. Wonderful. I love AI viewers.
Oh, was there a video that is there a message that needs to be killed?
On my side there is. I got it. I think it's like smart detection.
You're. Sorry, I just.
Yeah, I can look at that.
I don't know. It's so funny looking over and seeing you're a mod of Indie Game Joe. I got blacklisted for saying the F word.
I don't know how to do that. Let me see.
Can you clarify before he reaches out the F word that you got blacklisted for saying? Is it the socially acceptable F word or the one that would get you blacklisted here as well?
No, I think that I was literally just talking with them. Yeah.
Okay, okay, all good. I wanted to make sure it wasn't the other F word, and I was like, if it was,
I don't know if I can unmute you, because it's like with the bot, and it's set up weird, and I don't know. We haven't figured out how to disable that. Because it was.
How many streams do you watch?
Huh?
How many streams do you watch?
Me?
Yeah.
Not that many.
Okay.
Why?
Oh. You're like a mod for Indie Game Joe.
No, it's a Discord. It's a Discord. It's not a stream.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Boy Kisser is an issue. Fuck, I have to go and edit this texture now.
But I think the mute goes away eventually. So, let me see if I can figure it out. But I don't think I can. Let me see if there's like a. Wait, can I? Here, I think I figured it out. Hold up. Does this work? No, I found
He is
the
highlighted because
command,
he's
but I can't.
interactable.
I can't do it because I don't have manage
Why is there
roles
the meme kisser
permissions.
thing?
So
Or the kisser meme thing? The boy kisser is there because I said I need a placeholder sprite, and every time I go to quick load, it's just always up here. I don't know why. I have no
I
idea.
guess maybe because it's alphabetical. No, but it's not alphabetical.
It's like not alphabetical though is the problem. It might be based on the fact that it's in just the root assets folder. So like in terms of like going from this folder, searching all of these and then these folders and so on, it's like alphabetical and low like in the hierarchy. I don't know. But it always fucking shows up and I don't get it. But it's whatever. It's here. I can interact with the boy kisser. Let's go. None of your text box stuff you pushed up, right? I'm assuming.
No, not yet.
Okay, that's okay.
I want to add some sounds to it.
Yeah, you're good. I just wanted to make sure because if it was, I would add the interaction text box thing for whenever you get close to this.
Which stream should I chat in, guys? I think every time you send a message, you should switch which stream you're in.
Yeah, you could be like Toto from Jujutsu Kaisen, and you're just like every time you're talking, you just like clap and switch places with someone else or a different copy of yourself.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, you've never watched JJK, and it's okay.
Yeah, this is true. This is true.
Honestly, very good. Very, very good. I need to watch ReZero season 4. Apparently it's very good. Sepha just messaged me the other day that said that it's very, very good. So
okay, what sound should they? I guess I should make it sounds so that way I can make it a array, so that way it can be multiple sounds. Array of audio stream. Audio stream is such a weird like name for a type. I feel like I don't know. Audio stream.
Stream of audio. I think the only thing that would make more simple that would make more sense is audio sample, perhaps.
Yeah, that does make more sense.
But audio stream makes sense because it's streamed to audio. Like from a technical perspective, I understand why it's called that. Dude, he said exactly question mark in your YouTube chat, and then said exactly exclamation mark with an asterisk in my YouTube chat to correct himself from the other one. That's fucking hilarious.
This is so evil. And then he spelled
the only problem is
spelled it wrong.
It's like
when the chatter is
it's like trying to ask someone like what is the correct order to like watch Star Wars or some shit. It's like what's the correct order for me to read your messages, because I don't know if you're keeping it the same order. I don't know if it's like my stream is 1, JW's is 2, and then my Twitch stream is 3 and JW's Twitch stream is 4, or if it's like you're just like flipping a 4-sided die every time.
Sounds terrible.
I guess one thing that I could do. JW. So let's say that I was in the hub. So I'm gonna go to the hub really quickly. Let's say that I'm here and I want to interact with this and jump into the pile. How would you want to be able to set that up? Do you want it to be an animation? Do you want it to be like we just make a component that's just like whenever this gets attached, we make the player jump at this position or whatever? Or like, what do you want it to be?
I'm trying to think, because like if we made it an animation, then it would have to be like always exactly the same. And I'm not sure if I would want it to like maybe move to the position where the animation starts, so then it plays the animation. Or because I'm thinking like, oh, what if we want to have it, you jump into it from like any angle, so like wherever you interact. Sorry, English is hard.
Oh,
interact
I think
with
I just
it,
got an.
you would like jump
I think I
into
just
it from
figured out
that
what I want to do with
angle.
it.
Okay.
I think
Beautiful.
I think I may have just figured it out. Let me. Okay, I'm gonna do the thing. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna put JW screen share on. I'm gonna go use the bathroom, and then I'm gonna walk around my apartment a couple of times as I plot this out in my mind because I have an idea for it. So I will be right back.
Oh, by the way,
Good
it looks
luck.
like your mute is gone, Gwen.
My what?
In chat, the guy in chat who got muted in the
okay.
server.
All right, pew, pew.
Okay. I need to figure out what I want these sounds to be. I might just put some placeholders. That sounds terrible. We'll go with these. That's probably good. How's it going, Mr. Temper? I'm still moving around. He's still moving around. This is so confusing. Good thing I have all 4 chats open at once. If I had a nickel. You gonna finish that sentence? Just gotta give him time. Nah. You got this. Oh wait, what? Oh, volume. I literally cannot keep track of what anybody's saying anymore because there's people that are just typing in random chat.
Back.
Lazy is stealing Mr. Gamer's balls a bit.
What?
So now there are just random messages and random chats that I cannot keep track of.
All I see is Lazy saying, if I had a nickel for every time I
Nope, that's
kissed a
way too
boy.
bad.
And that's it.
That's crazy.
Oh, okay. I understand what you said. I thought I understand now. You said Lazy is stealing something of Mr. Gamer's balls.
Yes.
I thought that you were calling him Mr. Gamers, and you were saying that Lazy was stealing his balls. I see. He's stealing Mr. Gamer's balls, the balls of Mr. Gamers. All right. So I have a couple ideas, potentially. And we'll see how I can execute these. So the first thing, oh, boy kisser jump scare, is if I were to go to the player scene, let me look at how this is set up first. You know about visual? God, I hate interacting with this scene a little bit, I'll be honest.
Which scene?
The player scene. Oh wait, he doesn't do a jump squat? I thought he did a jump squat. What the fuck?
No.
Really?
Yeah, he doesn't really have enough, like...
What the hell? What if we made it so that he had a jump squat and then he jumped, like he jump squat for like a frame or two, and then he launched off the ground. He really doesn't have a jump squat?
Yeah. Well, because, like, he
wow.
instantly jumps. You don't want him to, like, squish down and then jump, like, shortly after. You want it to
Yeah,
be
no,
instant.
that would suck so bad. Any game that does that would feel terrible.
Yes.
That's not true. Don't say that. Rivals feels amazing to play.
It's very different as a plat fighter. Dante Knight is not a plat Fortnite.
Why is it not a plat Fortnite? What if Dante's 9 was a plat Fortnite?
Wait, why does this sound kind of sick?
Let me hear it. I'm gonna pause my music and put your stream on, and I'm gonna turn on the thing, so kill your music.
Okay, I'll kill my music. I mean, you if you're pausing your music, it doesn't matter.
Oh god. Dude, he's fucking... His voice is so much deeper than I expected. What the fuck? Okay, I won't lie. Something about it is not itching my brain in a good way.
It's the best sound I could find.
It's not terrible. It's just, it's something about it. I don't know what it is. There may be like a... There's like a weird... A weird, like, high pitch to it somewhere. I'm not sure. There's gonna be an upgrade that turns you into cat liquid? What the fuck are you saying? What do you mean cat liquid? What do you mean by cat liquid? Like, it just fucking...
Sound.
It gores Dante?
I'm gonna make a better sound. It's just like...
He
this
blends?
is my placeholder for right now.
What if we just made it so that whenever Dante died, instead of him just, like, dropping dead in the level, it just, like, cuts to black within, like, a frame or two, and then it turns back on, and it's just some random death happening to him. Like, one is just him going through a blender, and then he turns into cat liquid. Another one is, like...
You might be
he gets hit with, like, a tennis racket, and he splits into, like, strips of Dante.
That would be kind of hilarious, but at the same time, that's so awful.
This motherfucker didn't grow up on Newgrounds, and you can tell because he's like, oh, that's so awful. And it's like, dog, that's just like the average game on fucking Newgrounds. Was that? Dude, motherfuckers in Newgrounds were like, yeah, dude, I'm gonna get home and I'm gonna play a fucking game about just like torturing this like purple dude for like hours. And it's like, what?
I do remember some games like that from like a while ago.
Yeah. Also, I do know the joke about cats being fluids. Yeah.
Yeah.
My cat doesn't really do any of that stuff, to be honest, which is a little weird. But yeah, I do know that one. I do have my parents have a cat that's very much the epitome of this motherfucker's fluids. Oh shit! Wait, you lied to me. You did push this up.
What did I push up? Huh?
The start of the text box stuff.
Oh yeah, I guess I did. It just doesn't work very well.
Because I noticed as I was jumping by, I was like, this motherfucker highlighted. He's green because he can be interacted with or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm thinking about this again, and it pisses me off. What if I were to just like... Hold on, I'm doing something evil. If input is action, just press debug 1. I'm making a tween and I'm squishing the player.
Yeah.
I don't remember what the issue is with tweening things in Godot that are like physics, or scaling things that are physics bodies. I think it like gets upset at you and it says like, yo dog, don't do that. But like, I don't remember. So I guess we'll find out. Have you seen the there was a Vaporeon like animation that went like viral recently, or maybe not viral, but it got really popular on Twitter, where it was like the owner sticking them in like the bathroom, and then they like turn into a puddle of water.
How do I lock the player's movement?
Controls dot, and then pick your best guess of numbers of lock things to call.
Lock input? I don't think
input will do it, yes.
But that'll lock like all input, right?
It locks the player's input, like from moving.
Why is it called lock input then? But I want them to be able to like interact still.
With like, yeah.
Okay.
Controls is specifically for handling the player's movement and aiming and things.
Okay. Lock input is very unclear, I'm not gonna lie.
That's okay, yeah.
It's fine.
Also, no, I'm not ignoring you, Mr. Gamer's Balls. It's that my mind is only selectively seeing a few messages at a time. And I don't know, you just happen to be like disappearing the second. I'm like, all right, time to look at the messages. Also,
yeah. Now theoretically this should lock the player's movement while you are talking. And there shouldn't be any way that it will unlock.
Let me look here really quickly.
What are you looking at? Why? Why is bro doing that?
I don't know, but I also just noticed that there are these weird like artifacts on the ground.
Yeah, I don't know why it does that. Oh, is it the light?
It's the light, yeah, because whenever I squish, you can see that it changes.
Oh, that's interesting. I think it's because the light is it has like a weird shadow angle, which messes
yeah,
things
it's because you have it's like one of those like multi lights, so it's like softened by the edges and things.
That's fine.
Right, because it's called spread. It might not be called spread though. It's like some sort of shadow spreading thing that lights have in Godot. I won't worry about that. I don't know. I was gonna get sidetracked on that.
Okay, there we go.
So,
now
yeah,
locks your
Godot does not
input,
like
so I'm like
changing.
I'm trying to move. You can still hit, but that's okay.
Yeah, controls dot lock aim as well. I wonder if this like we don't have any like weird. No, we don't actually. I was just gonna ask something, but I can just like answer it myself. Hub room. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna add a weird collision because I want a weird collision.
Okay.
Static. Buddy 2D. You're up here.
I'm actually very surprised at just how nicely this works.
It's crazy. How much you've gotten better at programming.
Me when I lie, I still suck. Oh, do you think
you were able
the
to put that
title?
together.
Do you think the title here should like type out when it shows up, like the rest of the text, or should it just like?
I don't know. I don't like it currently. I feel like it's definitely weird that it's like over the thing. You know what I mean? Like it's like it's dangling off the edge on the right. I don't like that.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe it could like wrap so that it's like their name and then underneath it is like their title. Where it's like Tama line break. You know?
Yeah, I would just have to like, I don't know how I do that because how this is set up is really gross. I don't know exactly how it works. So there's the panel container, which has the animations messed up.
You said it's gross. You don't even know how it works. Brother, didn't you put that shit together?
Yeah, it works. So there's a panel container that has the text, and then it has a control in it, which then has another control that's like offset, which then has the title thing, which I don't know exactly how that works, but it makes it stuck to the top, which is all I care about. Basically, I just moved controls around until it moved up and down with the top part.
Is there a reason you didn't go with just like a like a VBox container that contains both the title and the box.
Because I'm like the
Does that make
dumbest
sense?
person alive.
That's okay. That's fine. I just didn't know if there was like a reason that didn't work.
Yeah, no, that would work. I'm
Okay.
just like stupid, and that's okay.
That happens. Oh shit.
And hey,
Dante
this
just
works.
Dante-
So,
Whoa, that's weird.
so I could
that's
like
weird. Jay, let me look at my screen. Do you know how I made Dante squish? Look at this. Dude, he can slug cat through.
Why did you give him a crouch? Why? What are you
Because
doing?
I wanted to see if I could tween it in real time and if it worked, and it apparently does. We're not doing that for any gameplay purposes, but I just wanted to make sure that it wouldn't break in any weird way. Because I want to have him like do a squish and then a quick pop up and then jump through the air into the to the target position.
We'd also have to change some layering stuff because I want him to like go behind the.
Yep, way ahead of you. I already thought of it.
Way
I think I can just say like, way ahead of you, Captain. I actually already considered that one.
No, I was thinking of the meme where it's SpongeBob and Patrick, and they're like, I forget what it is. I forget the rest of it.
He's LARPing.
Yeah, I'm LARPing. I can't remember right now.
He's LARPing.
But it's the one where SpongeBob is disguised as a snowman, and then Squidward's like, SpongeBob, we're in a desert. And then they get shot.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Let me see if I can find it.
Way ahead of you, Captain?
Let me see if I can.
SpongeBob.
No, I got it.
Oh, is this the Sea Bear Circle episode? No, I don't think so.
It's I don't think it's like actually from SpongeBob, it's a meme.
What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, is it this? Is it this thing?
This thing, what am I like? Yes, that one. There's like a video version that's like the more popular one. I told you. It's amazing. You gotta get the video version. It's much better with the video.
I trust you, man.
No,
I
it's
trust
much better
you.
with the
I
video.
just trust you, dog. It's fine. I trust you, man.
Please say someone else has seen that and I'm not like going insane and like I'm extremely brain rotted.
What the fuck is he talking about, guys? I have no fucking clue what he's talking about, and he's scaring me a little bit. I won't lie.
Oh, it's fine.
Way ahead of you, buddy.
Pure brain rot. All right, dog. So we're hopping on magic, right?
Dude, I don't know what's so. I like this. It's like a little stress toy, dude.
It's evil.
What do you mean it's evil? How's it evil? Make it make sense. Make it make sense now. Go on.
It's evil.
See? See? He has no fucking clue. What the hell? When the fuck did I ever put this in my list of music? Why the fuck am I listening to Creatures of Barlow? Oh wait, no, someone mentioned that on one of my streams, I think. And maybe?
What if I put this inside the
Oh, something about this is like, oh, I have this backwards. Sorry, this should be 25 on the y-axis. Oh, I don't like it. He's so goopy right now, and I don't know why. It's so weird. Dude, look at him. Just gooping it all over the place. Shit, can you look at this?
what am I looking at?
He's gooping it.
Why is he doing that?
Dude, he's so goofy. What's your guys' experience with RainWorld? I have beaten Survivor, Hunter, and
I have
there was did I not be one of the DLC characters? Maybe I didn't. I have the DLC. I want to go back and play some of the DLC, but I keep forgetting. Also, this isn't Rain Rother. I don't think there's a term in the English language to describe what's happening here either. Gamer balls or gamers balls. Sorry, my fault. I forgot about the plurality of your name. Oop, I zoomed in. Oh, dude, he's so squishy. What the fuck? I don't know, GW. I think this might be the play.
what? No.
Just making Dante like goopy. What if he was just like goopy by default? Like, what if he was just like a little goopster?
Little goopster.
No, wait, this actually looks so good. It's not for
What?
this, but like, look, dude.
All right, you can squishy him.
Dude, he's so squishy. Oh, I know what this is for. I know what this is for. Hold on. Wait. Can I let me write something down. Fuck, dude. Hold on. I thought about something fucking crazy. My brain is going like stupid mode right now. Let's see. Does this work? What have I done? Oh. That's not updating in real time. That's quite cool. Oh, does this not work the way that I want it to? Okay, it does. It just doesn't show up in game, and that's so fine. Alright. Is this expressed in radians by chance? Properties edited in inspector in degrees. It is. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if I like this song. The song's a little too something about the flute is like not working with my brain. I really hope one day I get my autism under control and figure it out. Mostly for my own sake, but I guess for everybody else involved. Ah, shit, that didn't work the way I wanted it to. Oh shit, dude. Speaking of my autism. Mizuki's on.
I don't know. I don't know if I like it like this either.
Huh? What'd you say? JW? Whoa, this is weird. Dude, look at him. Why does he do that? Dude, he's doing a little step.
What is he doing? Why is he doing that? Okay,
I can
anyways.
skew him. I can skew Dante.
Yeah, I don't really like
But I was
this
thinking-
style here.
This what? This textile? He's talking about clothes all of a sudden?
This text style of having like the title here in the box.
No, I don't like it.
Well, you said you didn't like the other ones, so.
Yeah, I think that it would be better if it was on top of the box, but it was like stacked. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I know where we can use this, by the way, this squishy thing, the squishy idea. Some NPC somewhere needs to pet Dante, and they pet him really hard, and we can use this kind of like stretching him down, and he boings back up into place whenever he gets pet.
Alright, sure.
There needs to be like some like robot or something that whenever you like walk up to it, it just like pets Dante and is like, "Good kitty," and then that's like the entire thing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
What
What is bro saying?
Yeah. Yeah, let's make a component. So target input driver. I'm gonna make a new. What would this be? This would be a movement component, perhaps. Yeah. What would you call all right, more questions for you. I have a movement driver that whenever I interact with this, the movement driver like handles the movement of jumping into the thing or like doing the thing. What would you call the thing where it just like takes control away from you and then just does the whole action?
Like movement animator or movement animation.
Yeah,
player.
I'll do like animation movement driver, I think.
Or animated
Probably
movement
works.
driver.
Animated movement driver works as well, yeah.
That's off. Oopsies.
Although it's probably not going to use an animation player, but that's okay.
Yeah, but it's not like it's a movement
yeah.
driver that is animated instead of being like dynamically controlled.
Yeah. I get you.
That makes the most sense, you know. It's almost 9 o'clock already. What the hell?
Oh, I didn't mean to start the game.
There we go, Billadic. How does this look? I
where's
changed it to have the
where's my
box
pen?
container.
Oh, nice.
I think this
Yeah,
works.
maybe a little bit. Add a little padding on the thing if you don't mind.
Yeah, on the
But-
V-Bucks container.
Yeah.
Can I?
No, you would add a control on like that encompasses the entire thing and then add spacing to it. You know what I'm saying or no?
To what entire thing?
So,
Why can't I just
your
change
tree
the
setup
separation
is-
between the?
oh, so I meant like a padding on the text on the left of the text so that it's not flush with the box, it's flush with the visual of the make the text a little more to the
Oh,
right.
this box. Yeah.
No. Tama Eternal Station Master.
Oh,
Slightly to the right.
just slightly to the right. Oh, so it's in line with this text. Okay, I see.
Maybe not even just that text, just so that it's not like flush with the border. Because like visually,
Yeah.
yes, they're lined up, but like human eyes are like, no, dude, that shouldn't be lined up with
Yeah,
the
so
rounded
you said
corner.
I should add a control.
Yeah, you should just wrap the wherever you have that text up top, you should just wrap that in a control and put it inside of it.
Like this.
Probably make that a margin container.
Margin container.
And you'll have to set the expand mode as well. You still think a liquid upgrade is totally a great idea? I don't think it's a bad idea. I just don't know how it would integrate gameplay wise, and I don't
There you go, I
intuitively
see.
have. Yeah,
Set to like
you
8
got
or
it.
like 12.
Yeah,
8 right now. Let's update in real time. No, okay.
no, because you added new nodes and changed things.
Yeah. it's
Where the fuck is my pen? JW, why did you eat my pen? Where the fuck is my pen? Also, I have a Discord notification. Oh no, it was just keeping it going live for stream.
Yeah. Not bad.
Did you eat my pen?
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
I'm
there we
sorry.
go. I found it. This motherfucker's so hungry.
There we go. Does it look better now?
Yeah. Visually, that lines up way better.
Okay,
Okay,
also,
let
I thought
me-
you were adding an outline to the train when you go to interact with it, or did you not get that working?
I didn't because there was just so much shit that's already put on the train that I just haven't had a
Yeah.
chance to go in and add that.
I mean, we could also just make a copy of the train that has no shaders on it and have that have an outline. Like,
That's true. Does the base
It would
train even have
break.
an outline on it?
what?
Like the train scene that isn't animated, does this have an out? Or
No,
like a material?
Uh,
This does? I'm not
Yeah.
sure if it needs to.
I mean, it would
although-
need to have the same animation so the outline matches, but
Yeah, did I actually... Let me do something really quickly because I'm curious. Did I try adding... we don't have an outline G shader ink, do we? No. Let me just try adding that really quickly before I pull out my pen and paper and try doing math.
Well, I didn't really like the sounds this made at first, but I kind of like it. You'll have to try it and see. Unfortunately, you don't have your
First he eats the heart, and now you're pen. Yeah, dude, he's so fucking hungry.
Yeah.
He doesn't eat in real life, so he just has to eat like digitally. It's weird.
Yeah, you're right.
We were at PAX. He didn't eat anything the entire week we were there. He didn't eat a single thing.
All right, so we're just lying now.
Yeah. Well, now. Now?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
Nah, dude. I'm lying all the fucking time. That shit's fun. What are you talking about? What was I doing? Oh, yeah. Pixel outline. Pixel outline.gd shader. How much shit you got on you? A decent bit. Let's just copy all of this. Make a GD shader ink. Bubble include? Yeah. Show in file system. That's weird.
Goodbye, Duo Gamers. B.
How's Duo Gamers going?
Yes. They literally said in your chat they have to go.
Well,
Bro does not read his
I'm
chat.
looking
That's
at
crazy.
things. Yeah, good luck, good luck. Have a good one, Mr. Gamers B. Okay, so I need this to do... What does this return? This returns the vertex. The vertex in a 2D shader is just a vec2, correct? So I think I could just like... Oh, no, this doesn't even need to happen. We don't use border clipping fix because that shit's ass. Yeah. That shit doesn't need to happen. I hate border clipping fix. We're fine. Okay, what else is in here? You, flash outline, get the fuck out of here. Be gone. What are you? Constants cannot be modified. Yeah, you're right. What of it? Shit.
Okay.
Oh, wait, no, bubble include has some things, right? Yay! Yay! Ooh. Let's see. Offset divided by... I don't even... What the fuck is O in this instance? Are you used anywhere else, or is it just for border clipping fix? Because if it's just border clipping fix, I don't know how to tell you this, buddy. You might be dead. I might kill it.
That's a little excessive, I think.
I am glad you feel that way, but I am here to tell you that you're wrong.
Yeah, I'm
I
probably
don't think
wrong.
it's excessive.
You're right.
Texture pixel size, hopefully not needed. Border clipping fix is dead. There is a reference texture here. I don't think I can pass in a sampler 2D as a parameter, right?
Okay. What am I doing? The text box is working nicely. You haven't added any more status effects here, right? I said you haven't added any more status effects, right?
Correct. Yeah,
Okay, that's
not.
I was just wondering if there's like anything fun I could mess with. I wonder if I could get the the slime guy to spawn fire when he blows up. Is there a way to get like the... Let me just look. Documentation on particles. Can you get the like physics? Like it, you know, like the particles when they like collide with something, they'll blow up. You can't like access that anywhere. Okay.
I don't. Actually. Aren't there? Let me. Yeah. Actually, you're looking. It's fine.
Oh, I don't know what I'm looking at.
Because there are two. You have a particle pulled up there, right? Can you look in the? Can you open up that collision thing on the right? Okay. Can you open up the inside the process material? Can you also open up the collision stuff there? There's like some
mode rigid hide on contact.
Okay. Yeah. So then I don't believe you can. Yeah, because I was thinking, because all of that's performed on the GPU, and there's no, the GPU doesn't very often return things to the CPU.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, it kind of just does shit on its own. Okay, what the fuck is O? I have no idea what O means, but apparently it's used.
I guess I could just have it like spawn fire below it when it explodes. And I could probably also adjust the fire animation so it's less obtrusive, because right now it kind of covers the entire screen. And how does fire area work? Can I...
You spawn it somewhere, and it drops to the ground, and it will spread with a range.
Okay, I just was wondering if there's like a way I can like set the size.
I don't remember if I had that. The answer is probably not currently. I believe it's the script that's attached to that handles the spreading of it. Which, not great, but...
No, it's this one, full pixel width.
Yeah. So you'd have to do something there. You may just be able to, like, bubble down a parameter or something, but... Yeah, it wasn't... It's one of those, oops, this wasn't finished.
Yeah, that's fine.
Kind of things.
I mean, I could probably just be like, where is the magma slime enemy? Shield break, in the attack handler. Isn't there like a shield break handler or something? Yeah, shield break handler.
No matching function found. Can I define a partial function and just say like, yeah, dude, this will be there. I promise.
Also, I probably want to make this guy immune to fire, so that would be a good way to test if we can make something immune to a status.
Okay, sure.
For right now, he probably just won't, and he'll just die. That's okay.
Yeah.
There we go. That should just spawn fire like at his position when he dies, or when he blows up.
Imagine a status effect that is literally is a stun, but it scritches or something like that. Yeah, an enemy just like stuns Dante because it shows him affection. And he's like, "What the fuck? Wait a minute, what the hell?"
Oh, hey, that actually is kind of sick. Hold up. Also, how the heck do I get rid of these annoying attack print things?
If you want to hide it for now, you can just press tilde.
Wait, you can just do that? Hold up.
Well, it's because that's the scrollable version of the console where you can hit up and down to scroll your.
Go watch this. Oh, it's funny. I only put it on the chair. But it's really cool if I spawn a bunch of them. They'll like set each other off, and then it'll. You can just see. It's quite sick. So if I hit one, I'll set the ground on fire, which will then set off the other ones, which will then eventually set off another one.
Yarn could also be a roguelite or a ranged weapon. We do have a yarn currently that's just the yarn ball that you threw out. That
some work, but...
Yeah. I don't know if we want it to like retrace the yarn, which we could make it do, or I don't know what we want to do with it. We can definitely revisit it now that we have a bit more knowledge on what the gameplay is going to be like. Because there's definitely a couple things about it that are weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I like that. That works very well for how simple it was to do. Okay, let me try it in like an actual game and blow up some magma slimes.
Redefinition of ground cut. What the fuck are you talking? Oh, oops. Yeah, you're right. Kinda.
I think we should maybe have something like Slay the Spider though, where you get like an option on your first level of like a little buff or something. Yeah, definitely not the like random chests. But like the ability
yeah, something
to
with a bit more control.
Cool, yeah.
No fucking shot, this just works, right? Oh wait, UV doesn't even need to be defined in here, does it? Because I think UV is only for... Oh wait, no, I lied.
And by the way, I definitely want to lock the hive guy behind a later level, and maybe the flying guy as well, because I feel like you have a lot of projectiles that can be annoying to dodge. Like, I mean, as us who have played the game a lot, it's not hard, but I've seen people start playing it and they just get like instantly fried by the flying guy because it's just like stuff everywhere. What would be cool for the magma guys, make it when he explodes, just in like a radius around him, any ground on it gets fire. That could be cool.
Maybe. Yeah,
like a little like shockwave thing that's like fire.
I need to stop getting sidetracked. I just wanted to add the fucking animated movement thing. Lol. All right. Notebook time. I'm gonna put you on screen. I'm gonna write some shit down on my notebook really quickly. Let me read this first.
Okay.
Making retrace is definitely more interesting. Yeah, you definitely have to think about like what you can do with it to have it go through enemies. Might have it be less. It might just have less yarn out there. Maybe it's a little bit more like taut, but I'm not sure. Have we had any other ideas for cat weapons? Yes. Let me flip the list.
Not really.
No? No. No. Sorry.
Mostly just like random stuff. That would be silly and fun, you know?
What is Bert again?
Bert,
what is Bert
cats.
summons?
Remember Poobert?
Oh,
You hate Poobert. Bro is number one Poobert hater.
I just think that Poobert is not the one that is...
Poobert is the goat.
Poobert's a little overrated.
No, Poobert is like S tier.
Poobert is very create coded.
Alright, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Poobert deserves all the glaze.
Yeah, we haven't had a whole lot of cat weapons in recent ideas because we have a couple of cat weapons now. Like Fox is, I mean, not a weapon, but it's, you know, equipment.
Oh, did you figure out what causes the weird little flash when you change levels sometimes?
Yeah.
Okay.
You didn't pull my changes, did you? I think.
I
Did I
did.
push my changes? You did? Wait, what? When?
No. No. Not
Okay.
like recently.
Yeah. Because it should be fixed.
I'll go and do that then.
It was so the cool thing was that when I was playing the game at 60 FPS, it didn't show up, but whenever I reset it back to 120 FPS, it started showing up.
Interesting. Yeah, it's only like
yeah.
every couple times for me.
Yeah. Yep. It's something because I'm awaiting a physics frame and I was just awaiting it in the wrong order.
Basically.
So I was freeing something, awaiting a physics frame, and then swapping levels, but I was supposed to be doing it the other way around. There's some weird shit. Don't worry about it too much, but yeah. Let me put you on screen. I'm gonna focus up for like a couple of minutes really quickly.
Okay. What else did you change, by the way?
Huh? About what?
Like the
what?
settings you pushed up, or not settings?
Oh, did
the
you just pull,
changes?
did you pull things
the
now?
changes that you pulled.
Navigation, which is broken on your side potentially right now. Just ever so slightly. God, what else was there? I don't remember, to be honest with you. I would have to look at my changes, but it was mostly navigation stuff and maybe a couple of minor bug fixes for a thing or two. I don't 100% remember. Let me do...
we go. Yeah, that works fine now.
Hooray! I don't know what works fine now, but yeah. Oh yeah, the camera stuff.
Yeah. Look at all that
Yeah.
fire.
Look at all those chickens.
I'm trying to remember, how do we have the enemies in the room set up right now? It just picks from a random set, right?
Yep.
I think we might also want to include like a size maybe, because there's some rooms that are like, if you put an enemy set in there, it would be like easy, and in other rooms where it's like it's ridiculous because it's so small, like the size difference.
Yeah.
So maybe have like certain sets that are for medium, like small, medium, and large rooms or something.
We could do that, yeah. If you want to write that down, I can add that as well. I can also add it so that it's locked to specific levels or specific whatevers. Currently, it's not.
Yeah. Oh, you said... What was that last part? Sorry, I said yeah, but I didn't hear a single thing you said.
No, it's fine. I'm writing code and I didn't even realize it.
That's fine.
I don't know. The answer was automatic. What did you ask me again?
Enemy sets different for different size
Oh,
rooms.
I can also include it so that it's locked per level.
Okay. Yeah, we might maybe want a better way to do that, because I feel like that could get tedious to make all of those, but we'll see.
That's not correct. Oh, I know. Oh. Cool. Why? That doesn't feel right. I'm trying to figure out what the arc of the jump should be given 2 points.
That's a very
Oh
good
wait, what am I?
question.
Never mind. Sorry. Never. No. I'm stupid. I'm dumb and stupid and dumb and really stupid
Go
and dumb.
through some of these things on the list again somewhere.
Bezier curves exist for a reason.
True.
I should just Bezier curve.
Wait,
I should just Bezier
you
my
might be
curve.
right.
I should just Bezier my fucking curve, dude. We literally have, but I literally made a thing called like util.process Bezier, which is fucking sick and cool, kind of.
Okay, the right side of this is no longer weird.
Hmm?
Book bottom right is weird. Is complete.
Okay, is that something that I did or is that something you just fixed?
That's something you did, I'm pretty sure. Remember over here, this
Okay.
box here used to be like way off to the
Oh,
right.
yeah.
No, I don't want to open VS Code. No. Get me out of here. Book changing tab selects cards. I think that's fixed. Did you see the stuff I sent you last night, by the way?
The answer is maybe, but we'll say no for now.
Okay.
What is it? What did you send me last night?
To auto select the first card in the binder when you like change tabs or open it. Because currently it just stays on whatever the last one you had on that. So like say I click on this here and then I go to this tab and then I go back.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah, it does that, but it can do weird stuff if like that card no longer exists or something. Like if I close the menu and like clear my cards and then I reopen the menu, it'll still be selected, but it doesn't exist anymore. So just little things like that. And then the other one was when you're opening a pack, you can still focus the other items after you, or the other cards after you pick a card, even though like you can't actually click on them to take them. It still just feels weird.
Yeah, I agree. Oh my god,
there's
I
stuff
figured it
right
out.
here.
I
Loop
figured it out.
button doesn't work. You fixed that, right? Yeah, probably.
Probably, yeah.
Make
So,
book
yeah.
animations faster. We did that. Auto collect coins at end of room. I'll put that in progress since it's like kind of working.
I think it's done.
Yeah, but like we wanted to make it fancier potentially.
Oh, yeah, because you wanted it to travel through the nav mesh.
Or yeah, actually, you
What?
you mentioned that one of doing the nav mesh.
Well, because I think you said that you wanted it to go towards the player throughout the level or something, and I was like, oh yeah, we can use the nav mesh for that.
Maybe that's what it was. Yeah.
Okay, this doesn't need to do a key redraw anymore. Honestly, this doesn't even need to be here at all, actually. This script shouldn't exist anymore. You're done. Goodbye. You served your purpose, and your purpose was to tell me what I can do correct. Animated movement driver. Of our target position. Vector 2. Our height. Probably like 500, 250 probably.
Bro, the new iPhone UI is so buns.
He's using iPhone. Kill him.
Okay. I added the delay after teleporting. Hey, look, we're actually getting stuff done. Isn't that crazy?
It might be.
Also, one thing I discovered that I can do to the game when I'm recording shorts and things like that to make it more appealing is when I'm editing, I will literally go in and just like turn up the contrast and saturation to the game to make it look like as brain rot as possible.
Oh no.
So it's like bright and colorful. Like adding that,
so
I don't care, but it works.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
Because I mean, it does look kind of a little bit desaturated on like some screens I've noticed. Just like the game itself.
Sorry, I'm locking in on.
That's okay. Oh, another thing I want to add is items that you leave in rooms on the minimap. I'm not 100% sure how we want to do that, but I'll put it on the list. That doesn't sound like it'd be the hardest thing in the world to do. The main thing is just making it look nice. I'm not sure how we'd want to display it on there. We could maybe even make like the minimap nodes a little bit larger so you can fit more stuff on there. Also, I was thinking, honestly, we might want to do something like what Gungeon does, where the pause menu isn't like the book. So that way it doesn't open like directly into the deck, it opens into like a exit game settings, things like that, so that we don't have to like, especially if you're on controller, you don't have to go like, oh, I have to go to this, then I have to know that if I tab over, it'll take me to the settings. Which, I mean, we could put the settings in here, but you would have to figure out how to do some weird stuff to redo that. Whereas if we had just like a regular menu, we could have it pop this up, and that's literally fine. At least for the demo. I mean, I do want to clean it up a little bit, make it a little nicer, but... I think the UIs feel pretty good so far. But the other thing is, do we want to change the what is it? Forge UI at all?
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
It's as...
Yeah, it's a little bit. So yeah, my thoughts were either it has like the half of the book that shows up like on the side, and then you can like select stickers on the right, and we can figure it out from there. I also need to clean up the shop at some point. I'll add that to the list. That'll make shop look nice. Also, in terms of the demo, I think we should try to upload the thing to Steam just for approval by like Monday. Just so that way we have like plenty early.
Sure.
We don't like, but it because it says like I think like 3 to 5 days maybe. I don't remember what it says. But just so we have plenty of time. And then I also need to set up the store page for it because I want to have the separate store page.
Okay, sorry, I just went into a fugue state. I'm back. What happened?
Okay. Nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think anything
I
important
think
happened.
I might have the thing, by the way.
The thing, let's see it.
Oh, well, we're not there yet. But...
Let's see it. Where's the thing? You said you have the thing. Okay, so we just lied. Okay.
Yeah, I have to add it to the player first, and then and it should hopefully work.
Okay.
And if it crashes, that'd be kind of funny.
That would be kind of
but
funny. I may wrap up shortly because I have to work in the morning, and I need a snack.
Yeah, that's fine. That's like mostly fine, I guess.
Yeah. But hey, I got a lot done tonight, and I got a lot on the to-do list that I now have to do. Unlocking tomorrow.
I wonder what's gonna happen here. Actually, I have no fucking clue. I have no clue what's gonna happen here. I don't know if this is gonna. Oh, I didn't load into the right room. Will this spawn the room in actually, or will it crash? It didn't crash. It did spawn it. Okay, it did crash. Oh, because I didn't make a new tween. Tween equals create tween. That'd be cool if that was the only place that was an issue. And that was the only issue with this entire thing. Senator Rainworld, have I played Casualties Unknown? I've not even heard of Casualties Unknown. Also, hello, Korean person again. Oh, shit. This didn't work. Now Dante's squished forever. What the fuck? Why is Dante squished forever?
Dante is squished forever.
Wait, what? Oh, because this is running every fucking frame. That's why. I'm stupid and dumb. It should only be running once whenever it gets added to the thing. Oh shit! It's going the wrong. He went the wrong way. He went down. Why does he go down?
What is that?
He went down.
Also, why is there a large creature?
What? Now you had to make it weird. Why'd you make it weird? Why does he not... Wait, I don't understand. Whenever I did this squish, he like stays on the ground. Why did he not... Oh, because the other fucking movement driver is always moving him down to the ground. I understand, actually. Because he's affected by gravity normally. I see. Is this the only place that I would ever use an ease out in? Wait a minute. No.
Maybe.
No, definitely not. Well, maybe, but definitely not this curve that I'm using here. Definitely not. Why the fuck are you so weird? Why does it like sit on the midpoint for so long? Doesn't... Let's see, ease out in is this shape, but it should be like less... I thought quad was the least... like... the least thing? But if not, then sine would... I don't fucking know, man. Does anyone have the quick tween sheet available on hand? Okay, that looks, I mean, closer, but... That's not even using tweening, I don't think, or easing. I think it's just linear. Probably. I don't... You know what I mean, JW?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why I got rid of physics process. I want to use physics process to find out what the fuck is going on here. Is this a game about cat? Yes, sirree.
Yeah, it is.
Sorry, the person who's
Here, I
chat you're
can
chatting in right
show
now is
off the
scrolling
game.
Instagram Reels.
That's not true. I am not scrolling Instagram Reels. I was
On
like
TikTok.
2 minutes ago, but I'm not anymore.
I guess.
Also, those emotes are beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. I wish I had silly cat emotes. I should make some silly cat emotes. This is the silly cat game. This guy goes meow 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 meow. I made the text box today. That's what I did today. And you can change your skin. We got Uni from Uni.
From Uni.
From Uni. Ignore the crappy train animation. That's Biddy's fault. Ooh, got a loot box. I love gambling.
It's like kind of true.
I'm terrible at my own game. Yeah, we really need to like get this hive guy out of the earlier levels. He is so annoying. Ow. I like the card combat mechanic. Well, that's good because that's like the mechanic in this game.
Mechanic. I like
We got the
card combat
goblins.
mechanic.
Wait, why did they all
Yeah,
spawn the same goblin? I thought I had it on different goblins. Or maybe it's random.
It
and
might have just like randomed it.
Yeah, I think it is
Yeah.
random, and I somehow got all four of the same one. We got a rolling ball. Oh, wait, the goblins took care of him. There's a key. Ah! I should lower the health on the eggs from the hive guy as well, so you can like kill him where he's like they take like 2 hits from most things, and that's just like more effort than it's worth. Ooh, we got the salmon storm. It's beautiful. Of course, I can't use it because I don't have enough energy, but you know, whatever. Ooh, we got the slimes. I reworked them a little bit today. So now when he explodes, he'll drop fire on the ground. So scary. Wait, does the fire... Oh. Biddy.
What?
Biddy.
What? Oh my god.
What is wrong with the screen? Can you tell me?
Yeah, I can see what's wrong with the screen. Your stupid ass fucking thing that doesn't have a health component but doesn't.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah.
Anyways. What more do you have to do on this game? Mostly just like content and polish. So like there's only this one level right now. We want to have like 30, so it might be a little bit.
That's what? It's not 30.
Yeah, I know, I'm lying. I'm sorry. I lied. Anyways, was there any other cool stuff that I missed? Oh yeah, there's stickers.
There's the boy kisser.
There's stickers. Let's go find the stickers. Give me something good. Spicy noodles. Okay, that's good.
propeller hat. That's perfect for getting stickers. Ooh, shatter. Even better. Well, these two cards are terrible. Let's go to the shop. Let's add a few cards.
Why?
There's the laser pointer. There it is.
Oh, I remember. Yeah. Because the skill point of the player isn't there. I understand. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about?
We have so many stickers. What the
Yeah,
hell?
we have hella stickers.
Until you try to put something on slot machine, then you have 0 stickers. But that's okay. Nobody needs to know that, because nobody's gonna put stickers on slot machine. Because slot machine is terrible. Gotta add the prism as well. For all the insanity. Oh yeah, you gotta see the sticker too. Stickers are... Wait, I wanna see what the sticker looks like on the goblins. Hold up. Where's the goblins at? This might look really silly. The stickers do enhance the card, yes. Oop, that's the wrong sticker. Oh, that looks really silly.
The pink goblins, the pink gobs.
The pink gobs. That actually looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, why didn't it do the fancy spinny effect? Did I like somehow put it directly on the center so it didn't spin?
What are you talking? Oh yeah.
Oh, you put it close enough to the center.
If you put it close enough to the center, it just doesn't do that. Yeah.
Oh, that's really funny.
Yeah, a little bit.
Anyways, let's go mess around some more. Goblins. Oh yeah, check out this card. Hold up. Let me get this set up. No.
Oh, you and your fuck ass. You can probably just hit continue, honestly, and just like disable breakpoints.
Disable breakpoints.
The button on the far left, yeah.
This one, skip
Or
breakpoints.
is this? Yeah. Oh no, it's just gonna be crashing because it's not.
Yeah, because it's gotta do
Lol.
every frame.
Yeah. Even your evil ass soul crystals.
Yeah. Anyways, just imagine there's like cool stuff. Wait, can I still? No, I can't do anything.
Nah. Is it like? Wait, is it breakpointed currently?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can.
You can do this until the fire runs out.
But, okay, so don't do that. Don't do that. Go back to the go to your remote tab. And then look for soul crystal or whatever the fuck they're called.
My mouse doesn't work very well, sorry.
Yeah, you got this, man.
I don't know which one it is.
And then you can probably go in. How can you destroy them? I wonder. Scroll down the inspector on the top. Oh, that's annoying.
Can I still delete them? Does that just remove them or no?
I don't think you can.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you might not be able to.
I could go in and like disable all of their hitboxes.
Yeah, I mean that's honestly
like
more
effort than it's worth.
Yeah.
Where even is it?
Where's what?
Crystal hitbox. Here we go.
You would also have to disable. You'd have Also have to get rid of the fire from the components. It's more effort than it's worth
Okay, yeah, you're right.
because it has like a fire handler attached to it.
Why does a Vaporeon cat have only has 41k subs, but you only have 338? I don't know, cause he like used to make videos, but unfortunately he died, and now I have this horrible replacement.
I have this horrible replacement.
Yeah.
I'm a replacement for myself. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
'cause you don't upload anymore. You're a different person.
That's true. That's true.
Anyways, here I can at least show off what I was trying to do. Let me go into the level. What I was trying to do earlier before I was rudely interrupted.
Mm-hmm.
But we should also have a sticker that like spreads fire on the ground when you hit things with it. Or I guess we could just maybe have it do that with attacks that deal fire damage. Or something. I don't know. Anyways, laser pointer, add sticker, bouncy ball. Now the laser pointer is bouncy. Isn't that so cool?
Dude, that's so cool. That's
Now we-
totes cool.
Double it with a prism. Wow, look at that. And that's the only cool thing about this game, unfortunately. You can make
That's
the laser
actually
pointer
true
go
as fuck.
crazy.
Yeah.
Everything else
That's
is kind of
actually
lame.
true as fuck.
Oh yes, also the rare item sound is beautiful. I always forget that's the thing, and then people point it out, and I'm like, oh yeah, right, we did add that.
Yeah, the rare sound that we made. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we definitely didn't steal it from anywhere. It's layered with some other sounds, so it's not, wait, that's the relic drop, not item drop. I love how item drop is literally just a card pack and nothing else. Oh, that sounds wonderful.
Yeah. Sorry. I have It looks like shit that I'm playing around with the automatic jumping cutscene thing.
Hold up,
So I have it so
having
that you
fun
can
here.
jump into the thing, but I need to actually make it like have a curve.
That
or
actually
some
looks
shit,
so
but-
beautiful, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I love how the items work. 'Cause they just go
Alright,
flying if like they can't go anywhere.
I don't think I've done a video with arcing projectiles. I think all of the tutorials I did were top down.
He hasn't done any
I wanna
videos.
say. I think everything I did was top down. My guess, if you watched a video of mine, it was either finite state machines, composition, or the modular upgrades one. Those are like the big three that people are like, wait a minute, you made this thing. Okay, I might be done with coding for tonight. Is my I can feel my Adderall wearing off because I'm starting to get really hungry. Which is
Oh,
my body
wait,
telling me that the stimulants are gone. What's up?
Where'd my laser go?
If you let go and then continue firing, does it go back to regular? No.
Is it just like maybe there's too many things getting rendered? Wouldn't think so. Yeah, new one's still broken.
Yeah, it's
Is
yeah,
it
yeah.
because
I'm
of
just
all these lines? Maybe no.
Can you jump out of the pit of items? What the fuck? Are there any errors in the console, perhaps?
Nope.
What the fuck?
Here, let me. Do you want me to do anything else before I like try going to a different level or a different room?
You just run to a different room.
Yeah. The room.
They'll still be there when you come back.
Okay. Yeah, that works.
Yeah, it was yeah, I added a thing to the game where if there's too many sprites, it just doesn't render anything past a certain limit. I added that, by the way.
Wait, did you actually?
I have no fucking clue what's happening. I have no fucking idea why.
Well, it's something with the
that's
line renderer because, like,
yeah, but the line render is just a sprite.
Oh, did you change it to be a sprite? I thought it was still a weird line that's evil.
No, it's just a sprite. That's what I did on the train up to Boston.
I thought it was still an evil line.
I turned it to be a no.
Line. I'm pretty sure it's still an evil line.
I don't. I actually have no clue why it's not rendering.
Let me see if like something else will render, like op. Wait, that renders
top-down video with the dinosaur. Yeah.
Oh, is op the one that's still the evil line?
Nope, they're both sprites.
Okay, cool.
I don't know why. Or just added another op. He's gonna do it again. He almost clicked op again, by the way. Yeah, I have no fucking clue why.
Let me try
that's not working.
Starting and seeing what happens.
Well, it was working in the other room. I think it is just that there were too many things on screen, but I have no fucking clue why it's alpha transparency overdraw, too many transparent objects overlapping. I don't think so. I don't know if that's a thing that Godot has by default.
Yeah, it does seem that like if once there's a certain number of items, it stops rendering it.
It's just really weird that it's
thankfully, I don't
rendering
think you're gonna have this many items. Maybe it's something to do with the frame rate too, because it seems like it's significant. That seems to be at the point where it starts lagging a lot.
Did you see that? Did you see how the laser was like a partial line?
No.
Get some of the objects off screen.
Some of the objects off screen.
Like just stop rendering them. Like move your camera so it's off screen.
Yeah, that's what
I'm doing. Not gonna.
Oh wait, I see it. I see it. I see it. Maybe.
Where?
I thought I saw it. Maybe I'm going insane.
I don't know. Get onto a platform so you can actually see.
No, I think I've seen the particles.
It was like a partial line for a moment. No.
No, I'm pretty sure.
That salmon just fucking came up and just said hello. Holy shit.
I'm pretty sure it's just the particles that you were seeing.
I
don't see it anywhere over here.
No, it's fine. I'll just pull up your stream and I'll look through the VOD. But try lower your render quality down.
Lower my render quality?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What's
what?
Up? Yeah, you see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I saw it for like a frame. Yeah. What the?
Yeah.
I'm so confused. What?
Me too. I have no fucking clue what that is.
It's like phasing in and out of existence. It's like not even like showing and hiding. No, I didn't want to exit the game. That's the other downside of the settings menu.
Yeah, you see this? Look at that. Look at that.
Let me see it. That's so
I don't
random.
know what that.
But by the way, the other bad thing about the settings menu is when you hit the settings button, the exit button is directly where the settings button was.
Skill issue.
So you can accidentally double tap it and hit the exit button.
Okay, skill issue. I don't know, man. Just click one time.
Just.
We're filtering out people that have double click on their mouse.
Yeah, we're not filtering out people from the game. We want people to play it, you idiot.
No, they'll be like, oh, dude, fuck, I should like not click there then.
You
it's an issue with the player, not the game.
The player is usually right sometimes.
Usually right sometimes is a crazy statement to make about players because that shit is not true. Those motherfuckers are not usually correct.
No, they're right a lot of the time.
You just want relic drops, by the way.
What? Yeah. And a lot of them. Anyways, that may be where I call it for tonight.
Oh shit, dude, it's starting to do it. I know what it is. I think I know what it is.
You think you know what it is?
I think I know what it is.
You think you know what it is?
Mm-hmm.
What is it then?
Let's see if I can find where the fuck is the. Oh my god, how am I doing this again? There's a line renderer. Handles. Oh my god, I don't remember how this works. It's the alpha curve.
It's the alpha curve?
It's because the line loops between this area.
Oh, yeah.
I believe it's
But why
because
is
the
that
delta is too
changing?
high.
Oh, the
It's because the delta is too high.
high?
Or it, yes, I believe.
I
I believe it's because whenever it's going between them.
So wait, what if you try like reducing your like capping your frame rate at like really low? Would that also make it disappear?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense because it did seem to show up like as the game started lagging.
Yeah.
I also need to get a screen recording of all the items bouncing around because that would make good content for like Twitter. See, I told you it's the alpha. Okay, yeah, you were kind of right, somewhat.
You were kind of right. There was like a part of it that was, yeah. You were like almost good. I'm surprised I didn't see it on my laptop because my laptop fucking sucks. Player.gd debug.
Is it maybe if like the delta is changing a lot?
Yeah, that's what I, yeah. Or it's if it's too high and it's
Yeah,
it's because of the it's using like a
that makes
tween
sense.
for things. So it's
I
like
see.
if the delta ends up being too high, then it puts itself into like a weird spot.
That's very funny.
You can see the laser shrinking as the FPS drops.
That's so funny.
And if I bring it back, does it just like come back? Sure does. That's funny as fuck. And so the reason that one's happening now, and you can see that it's not going partially opaque, is because there's also a size curve on it. Which, oh, that's cool. Now it's doing even weirder shit. Laser that does damage to your FPS. No, unfortunately, the laser doesn't usually do damage to your FPS now. It's, the FPS does damage to the laser.
Wait,
FPS-based laser, the better hardware you have, the more powerful it is.
FPS-based damage.
Yeah. Yeah, that was my first game made in Godot was
So
actually a
funny.
game where as you went on, the game would try harder and harder to lag your game, and if you dropped under a certain threshold of FPS, you would start taking damage. Very fun idea. Alright, well, it is like 10 o'clock now, so I'm gonna call it here.
Me
I'm hungry as fuck, and starting to get kooky. My brain no longer working as much. So, thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for hanging out. Wishlist game on Steam or something, I guess, if you feel like it. You don't have to, but if you guys feel like supporting the game. Sorry, I had to do my JW impression. But we will be back on Thursday at 6:30 p.m. EST. We will catch you then. Good night.